You do not need another diet. You need to stop breaking promises to yourself. People think that weight loss fails because of food, hormones, and time. But in reality, they fail because they cannot sustain the standards. If you're new here, my name is Winnie James. I'm a weight loss coach. I help women transform their body, losing weight, and also reducing inflammation in their body. And in this video, I will show you how that your food is not the only reason why you are not losing weight. And this video is sponsored by Diaspora Insurance. Diaspora Insurance is a company registered and regulated in United Kingdom by FCA, and the product, it is tailored for Africans living in diaspora. They offer funeral cash plan. If you are in diaspora, you know how when the death is announced in a family, when that thing carries weight, and especially for the people that are in diaspora. Visit www.diasporainsurance.com and get your quote today. And if you're not yet following me on social media, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on TikTok, what are you waiting for? Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and all those platforms. I am there as Winnie James. And let me tell you, on Instagram, I share consistently about how I maintain my healthy lifestyle. If you have not been following me, I lost over 25 kgs in 4 months, and I have maintained this weight for some years now. And I have also coached women across the globe, and they have also transformed their life, and they are living a happy and healthy lifestyle. Why can't you sustain the standards? One of the many things, it is because you don't take the weight loss as a business, because weight loss is like just a business. You can have strategy year in, year out, but as long as you're not executing the strategy, the plan, everything you're thinking about that business, even it doesn't matter how beautiful and how awesome it sounds, and what problem that business will solve in the current world, as long as you're not going to execute the plan, the strategy, then that business it has failed. Okay, so and weight loss, it is the same. So the standards that you put in place, those are the things that will help you to lose weight. And let me tell you, if you're not keeping promises to yourself, you say that you want to lose 5 kgs, you will eat clean, and your pantry, it is full of junk food. You said you move your body, yet you don't even go for 5 minutes walk. Those are standards that you're breaking for yourself. And let me tell you, consistency is key. So don't put strategies and don't put plan in place that you cannot sustain, because that is what is making you fail. Number 2, diets don't work without consistency. And when I say diet, I don't mean that you're restricting yourself. I mean whatever kind of diet that you choose. But when we say diet, we mean the food that you eat, because you might not know this, but we are all in a diet, but it depends on what diet you're feeding your body. So when I say about diet, I mean the balanced diet. So that diet that you have, if you cannot consistently stick with that plan, you cannot consistently do it without hassle, then the weight loss becomes very, very difficult. So what you need to do, it is to have plan that you can consistently do every single day, a day in and day out. So, my friend, you don't need another information. You need a system that removes decision fatigue. When I say a decision that removes fatigue, I mean if you want to eat clean, you can start getting bored with having just salad in the morning every single day. Get that strategy, get that plan, and put in place. If you're having dinner and you say that dinner is salad, every single night. Prepare dinner. Buy things that you need to prepare that salad. You start planning things that will work for you. Things around you, they are supporting you. Let's say you want to start eating clean. One of the many things that you can do, it is to start planning your meals. Like for instance, you can say every dinner I'll be having salad. So if you'll be having salad every dinner, not just saying I'll start eating clean, that only does not give you a consistency or a plan to be doing something. So you need to say that every dinner I'll be eating salad. And so when now you go to the shop, you'll be able to buy things that are supporting that plan. And then you can meal prep for the whole week or do a salad for 2 days. That is a plan. That is removing decision fatigue in your life. Stop asking yourself what is the best plan, and then start asking yourself, what can I follow even on my worst week? This one, it is a game changer. It will change your life completely. If you want to reset and to have a plan that will work for you, you don't know where to start, you can order my ebook 7 Days Reset, and you can find it at www.iamwinniejames.com. and this book, it is a game changer. This book, it is a way of returning to self. It is a way of telling yourself that I love you. It is a way of telling yourself that I understand that my body does not belong to me. I am just a steward. And this book, it is a game changer. Just head on www.iamwinniejames.com and get your book today and start living a healthy lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know in the comment section where are you watching me from. Until next time, balance, enjoy, and thrive. Bye.